Next step in the $600 race bike project is we're going to mount the battery somewhere in the back here. Basically cut all this extra junk off the bike, both for looks and to make the tailpiece fabrication a lot easier. So all this is going to come off. I'm going to finish this piece, cut all this extra stuff off, and then we're going to basically relocate all this electronics to the back here. So it will be essentially the stock seat ended somewhere here. Because I'm longer, I'm going to extend the seat to about here. Then this part will be the little tail scoop, kind of the cafe racer style look. So that's where we're going to hide the battery and fabricate a whole front piece, bolt into here and here, and then carry along the top here. The hardest part is going to be relocating this by far. Possibly I won't relocate that, but we'll see. We'll see how she goes once we start getting the foam works underway. But now's the exciting point where we are modifying the bike in a way that will never let us go back to stock. So wish me luck. It's my first time doing this.
You got a letter this morning, I ring it red. You say, hurry, hurry, the gal you love is dead. Got a letter this morning, yeah, I ring it red. You say, hurry, hurry, 'cause that gal you love is dead. Let's grabbed up my suitcase, took her down the road. When I got there, she's laying on a cooling board. I grabbed up my suitcase, and I took her down the road. I said, when I got there, she's laying on a cooling board. Then I walked up close, I looked down on her face. This a good old gal got to lay here till judgment day. I walked up close, I looked down in her face. I said, the good girl got to lay here till judgment day. Lord, I fold up my arms, I sort of walked away. I said, farewell, honey, I'll see you judgment day. I fold up my arms, oh, yes, I walked away. I said, farewell, farewell, I'll see you judgment day. You know it in my room, and I bound to pray, but the priest came along and drove my spirit away. I went in my room, yeah, I bound to pray. I said, but the priest came along and drove my spirit away. You know, I thought I'd never love but 4 women in my life. My mother, my sister, 10 gal and my wife. I thought I'd never love, I said, but 4 women in my life. I said, my mother and my sister, my 10 gal and my wife. You know I didn't feel so bad the good Lord sent me down. I didn't have a soul to throw my arms around. I didn't feel so bad until the good Lord sent me down. And I didn't have a soul to throw my arms around. You know, I cried last night, that night before. I'm gonna change my way of living, so I won't cry no more. I cried last night, and I said all that night before. I said I'm gonna change my way of living, so I won't cry no more.
So that is the end of step one of the race bike build. Basically, we lowered the clip-ons, chopped the seat, completely redid all this, moved the battery here. It used to be here. All this stuff we moved. Just got to put the ground on. The goal was to get a perfectly clean line under there, which looks, it's not going to be perfect right now because nothing's connected, but when I put the fender on, it's gonna hold that all up pretty good. These are the bolts for the fender. I'm gonna get them, and yeah, so I think we're probably just as heavy as stock, but kind of gonna meet the aesthetic that I want. And with the battery being here, basically my seat, well, I never noticed how high this stuff is. My seat is going to be about right there. So that's why the battery is so far to the back. But on second thought, I'm thinking I should maybe flip all this. We'll go higher. We'll go higher. Alrighty, well, wish me luck. I'm having a heck of a time welding with this cheap Canadian tire rod that I bought. So my welds aren't so pretty, but that's learning. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.